Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing current size and perfusion. Measure palm width and fingers spread so you can track progress. Once done, warm the tissues for 5 to 10 minutes using heat, massage, and wrist circles to increase blood flow. Make sure to have tools ready: a light resistance band, a soft therapy ball, and a towel. These prerequisites let you start active work immediately and reduce injury risk, so get set and move into the first stretches now. You now perform targeted stretches that remodel soft tissue. Loop the band across fingers and hold a wide spread for 30 to 60 seconds, repeating 3 sets to fatigue. Then, make sure to massage the palmar fascia with a soft ball for 2 to 3 minutes. Press and roll toward the wrist to break adhesions. Once comfortable, do towel presses. Grip a rolled towel and squeeze, holding each rep 5 seconds for 3 sets of 10 to build. Finish with strengthening. Use therapy putty or a squeeze ball for 20 to 30 slow reps, 3 times daily to develop muscle bulk under the palm. Once done, track progress with photos and measurements every 2 weeks so adjustments are evidence-based. Make sure to taper intensity if you notice sharp pain, persistent numbness, or swelling. Reduce load, increase rest, and consult a clinician if symptoms continue. This final phase cements gains and prevents setbacks while you maintain a steady routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.